Hello guys, ExZha here, and today I will show you how to use Hammer Editor to make a basic map. So let's begin with pressing File, New. Okay, now what to do? Press here if you haven't done this before, but if it's your first time or if you don't know about this. Camera and 3D texture. What you do now? Press this, which is fail. The block tool. Now drag it out for area and how big you want it to be. Press the camera. What? Press on the screen, then drag down and press the S file, which is going for where you want to go. So what I'm gonna do is 3D texture, and I'm gonna choose my texture file, what texture I want to use. So I'm gonna use a floor. Wait, that's a nice floor. So, whoa, that's a fail. Okay, that one. So it's a carpet. Here you have the carpet, or the block, as I wanted to show you. Now press this entity tool, because this is very important. Now put it on your map, which will be an terrorist. If it's something else, please double click on the entity on the map, then name it info player terrorist, or if you want a counter terrorist, which you just type counter terrorist, then apply. So now what you want to do, as you have the basic platform, you want to do walls. So walls we do. Now I will have some brick walls, because it's the easiest wall to make, if you ask me. So drag it down and drag it up for the height you want. As you see, the height of the player is like that. And then you have to drag it up over the head if you want to have a roof or something. So I drag it like this. Apply. Or as I press the enter, which is a little shortcut. And if you want to know what I just did, I use the tool, press shift and drag. You have to hold shift all the time, then drop, and there you have it. Now if you press Control M, which is wait a second. Okay, no, it doesn't work because I'm using Camtasia. Well, that's very bad. But if you do that, you can do the rotation of the block. Now I'm done with that. Now drag a copy of the wall. Here you have your basic map. And if you want the roof, or if you just want the heaven, or yeah, it's very laggy with the Camtasia. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, but as I want to do skybox, which is very nice if you ask me. Just drag it around the map. How big you want it, I'm not sure, but drag it over all the blocks or around the blocks, because that's the best. Now browse skybox, then drag down to the bottom, which you will find this one. So press it and enter one more time. Now it's a block here. Don't start the map, that will break everything. So now you press right click on the block skybox, the skybox block, I'm sorry. Now you press on make hollow. Now I really recommend -2, because that's okay. It's okay. So yeah, I have a skybox, which is around here, and then I have my player, or at least my spawn, which is a CT, and I'm gonna take a terrorist too, because it's pretty important to have terrorists and counter terrorists. It's different about what map you're doing. If you make a B-hop, or if you just make a war map, you probably have to do both of them, which is stupid if you only do terrorist versus terrorist, which is not possible. Okay, if you make a war map, as we made a basic map, I just want to show you how to make a gun. So press the entity tool, press Alt on the map, press the selection tool, double click. Now type what weapon you want to use, which is, if you want to know the whole name, or just search or deagle, no, it will be there. Or you can do weapon underscore, and all the weapons are here. So flashbang, FAMAS, elite, deagle, C4, AVP, yeah, everything. So I would take a AVP as it's very nice. Now when you start a map, you will only have 30 bullets. So or 10. That's different about the weapons. So I think it's only 10 in the AVP. So what I'm gonna do, drag this one up so it's not on the ground and buggy and stuff. So yeah, I have it right here now. So when I start a map, this one will fall, the AVP will fall to the ground. So what I want to do is make it stay in the air. So double click it and press on flags, which is here. Start constrain. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but yeah, start constrain, or yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Apply and X. So now it's gonna be in there. A freeze gun, which is, yeah, I like it. You can go to it and you will get the gun. So what I'm gonna do now, double click, smart edit, press it. Now you press add. Now here you want to press or type in ammo, which is one of the keys. Value, how much ammo you want to have. So that's okay. That's very much. So we say 999 then, and then apply. So now we have 999 and 10. 10 and 999. You probably know what I'm talking about, or not. I'm not sure. So yeah, now Control S will save the map. Now you have to type in what you want the name on the map to be. I do DE underscore, which is like a normal map. Tutorial. Oh wait, sorry. Like that. DE tutorial. Save. I see you in game, guys. Hello, guys. Yes, I'm in game now. So I forgot to tell you. Yeah, I forgot to tell you that you have to press F9 when you're in Hammer to be able to play the map. So you press F9, a little window will pop up. Now you can check in the boxes you want, and yeah, it will be a little white square at the bottom, which you will be able to press, like don't play game or after compiling, something like that. So if you check that, you have to do another way, which I will tell you after this. So yeah, when you start with F9, it's compiling. When it's done, you will be able to play. The CSS will pop up automatically. But if you have a bad computer and check the box in, it will not lag. So you'll be able to, when it's compiling, the compiling is done, you can just what was it? Yeah, when the compiling is done, you can press the down the Hammer editor window and the compiling window. Now you can open CSS and search or create a server, as it stands, or all Swedish. No, I mean on other languages, which I don't know. Yeah, and then you can personally create a server, and now choose your map in the list, which will be the name you choose. What the fuck? Yeah. And here, if you see the right in the top right, it stands like DE underscore tutorial, which I name the maps. Now I can be able to press the player or the the team. So I took out like a terrorist and a counter-terrorist. Here you have the carpet, which I made in, the brick walls, with and the skybox. You can change the skybox and different textures, as you probably know. Here you have the flying AVP. If you haven't, if you didn't check in the start constraint, what the fuck the name was, it will pop down. So yeah, he didn't know because I did check in that box. So here you have the Magnum. It's on Swedish now. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Now you can as you see at the bottom of the right, you have the 10 normal